What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wes and this is Wes Was Cooking, the channel where I bring you recipes on any and everything. Today I have a recipe for hummus, specifically pumpkin hummus, and it's going to be perfect for any Thanksgiving appetizer. But first, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and let's go ahead and get into it. So first we're going to start off by putting our chickpeas in our food processor. These were from a can. They've been drained and rinsed. Next we're going to go in with our pumpkin puree, our 100% pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, just pumpkin. We're going to put that in the food processor as well. Now we're going to go in with some garlic cloves. I'm using 3 because I like garlic flavor. If you're not a fan of garlic, don't use it or cut back to 2. You're going to close your food processor and you're going to pulse it a few times. Keep it chunky for right now, and we're going to add in some more things. So once you pulse it a few times, it's going to look like this. See, it's still chunky, it's not smooth yet, you want it to be like this. Next we're going to put in the tahini, and tahini is just ground up sesame paste. We're going to go in with our lemon juice, our salt, our cumin, ginger, cinnamon and nutmeg, a little cayenne pepper for heat, and our maple syrup. So then we're going to close up our food processor and we're going to let it go for about a minute or 2. After those first 1 to 2 minutes, you want to take your spatula and clean the sides of the walls of the food processor. Once you do that, close it back up and we're going to let it go for another 3 to 4 minutes. And during those 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to start drizzling in our olive oil. We'll go slow, don't pour it all in at the same time, just take your time. So after 3 to 4 minutes, you'll have a beautiful, silky, smooth hummus that is ready to go. Now like I said, it's going to go perfect for Thanksgiving. You're going to get those notes of cinnamon and nutmeg, the pumpkin. It just works well for this time of year and in this hummus. If you have any vegetarians or vegans, this would be perfect to serve to them. Now I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all just stay safe during this pandemic, social distance. I love you all. Peace out until next time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and do all that. Y'all take care. Peace out.